Well, I'm up here to try and film the planes again today. It's about 8:45. By 9:30, they're going to be running is when they start. First plane fly over, and I'm using not just my phone today, but I'm using my bigger camera, which this is 4K. It's capable of 8K. Never really used it, so I'll probably try some 8K footage today as well. Beautiful morning out here, though. See what we can get. 9:25. And with my luck, they probably won't start running until this afternoon. But there's worse places a person could be than this beautiful spot, so I'm good. 9:30. Expect something here real soon. I gotta stop looking at rocks or I'm gonna miss it. Caught him just in time. Oh, look at that. Wow, did you see that? He did a heck of a turn. Oh, he's coming down. Look at that dive. Look at that dive. That first plane came over at 10:15. And listen, I do get excited when planes come over, but this is what I really like right here. Listen. Nothing. Just the river. Occasional bird. I can hear one way off in the distance. Way off over the top of that mountain there. Two of them. Cool. That sounds like he's going way up above us.
Yes. Sounds like, yeah, he went to the left down at the lake.
Man, he's high above us.
This jet up above us. He came out of nowhere.
He sure did. I think I got this on in time. I know I got him going overhead.
No.
That last one caught us both by surprise,
Yeah,
but
did.
he was moving. Normally you hear him when they come. I'll hear him when they come around that corner down there. I didn't hear him till he was halfway up the canyon.
I hear a jet, but I just don't see one.
I don't either. It must
Almost
be
sounds
going.
like it's above us.
Yeah, it must be going over us.
Anyway.
That sounds like he's going way up above us.
Yes. Sounds like, yeah, he went to the left down at the lake.
Man, he's high above
This
us.
jet up above us. He came out of nowhere.
He sure did. I think I got this on in time. I know I got him going overhead.